Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that.
Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Life with Vivian. And so guys, today we want to do our hair. I started this video without doing the intro, and now I'm doing it. So today we're going to do our hair, and before we continue with the video, kindly consider subscribing if you have not subscribed, and for the returning subscribers, thank you so much. And make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, yeah, and turn on the notification bell. And so right now I'm ready. I want to head out to go get the hair extensions or the braids, and then we come back and do our hair. So stay with me, let's go get the hair or the braids. Yeah, stay tuned and watch this video to the end.
The light, if I don't get you, shawty, you bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah.
So guys, you're going to do mini braids, and I'm going to do them by myself, and I hope the outcome will be as per my expectations. Yeah, and this is my fit for today. So guys, I'm back from the shop, and this is what I got. I got 3 different colors of braid. So guys, we're first going to mix these braids. Tutoe rangi moja. So let's start.
Oh, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Oh, I don't feel right when I dance.
So guys, before I mix, let me tell you why I've decided to go for these particular ones, for these particular colors. It's because the shops that I've gone, all the shops that I've gone around here, around this place where I am, I've not found the color that matches my hair, and I really wanted a color that matches the color of my hair. I want to go for gold. So guys, these are the colors, and right now I'm feeling like I could not have picked red. I could only have picked these 2 colors because I think they almost rhyme my color. Nikieka hapa, I see that the red needs to be here, but here, like here, hapa, I feel like I only need these 2 from afar. I don't know, comment down below what you think.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you.
They're here, and actually this is how my dye looked like the day I applied it before it faded to this color. I think I love this because this is what I wanted before this color faded.
Move to the right, why you tryna fight? Just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. First you wanna come around, then you say say you're leaving town. Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right, while you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Oh, I don't feel right when I dance alone. I don't feel right when you don't come home. I miss your body and I love you so. Baby, I do, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right, while you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, cause baby, I love you.
Morning guys, it's the next day and we're done. We actually finished at late night at 4 a.m. but the lights went off so I could not record. Yeah, actually nilikuwa nasuka kwa giza so I could not record when I was done, but you can see we are done and that's the outcome. You can rate it in the comment section. And you can also try it. So this is the end of this video. Kindly make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe if you have not subscribed, and turn on the notification bell. We'll meet again in the next video. Bye.